Pick up tomorrow. Go swoop up.
We're gonna pick up two
JZX full drip spec, like all blown out, full like competition ready, and then the other one full OEM. So it'll be a nice little comparison of the two.
What's up, guys? We gonna unload cars from the 2-car trailer. So what are we doing, Gabe?
Moving some stuff around, ready for pick up tomorrow. Go swoop up.
We're gonna pick up two
JZX100s, like full drip spec, like all blown out, full like competition ready, and then the other one full Tour V OEM. So it'll be a nice little comparison of the two.
Yeah.
I think it'd be pretty cool to see.
2 cars. So we have Josh's 180 and Josh's 86 in the trailer. So we're gonna unload it to get it ready for tomorrow. Unless Gabe's homie can pick it up for us.
Yeah.
If not, I have to drive this thing tomorrow.
Take these guys out. Little gems.
Little gems. 90 gems right here. Alright, done. Unloaded both of the cars. Ready for tomorrow. Excited to see those 2 cars, yeah?
Oh, both of them, dog. That's like, been waiting for like 8 months, man.
What time are we leaving?
Be out of here by 9. Get there by like 10:30.
Sounds good. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up? Good morning. We got 2-car trailer hooked up to dually and on our way to the port to pick up 2 cars today.
Pick up 2 chasers.
2 chasers.
2 chasers.
Alright, we'll see you guys at the port. So here it is, Baron's Garage, JZX100 Chaser, black one and silver one. These things might be already sold. This wheel might be for sale too. Well, some of you guys probably remember when I went to Stack Inc. This car was at their shop, and now it's in state. Crazy SS. Good old 1JZ. And got brand new alternator. Sick. All gritty piping. This thing has a big gap. This one's all loaded. Gotta load up the silver one now. This one has R34 GTR wheels. It's perfect, huh?
I was like, oh, got it.
Chasers are big, bro.
Bro, hella big.
2 chasers and is it 36 feet trailer? 32 feet. 2 car enclosed trailers. Like all the way, front to back. Barely have a room in between. Barely fits. We just gotta strap both the car and make sure they don't move. All loaded up. Both of cars tied down and ready to leave. All right, are you ready? Of course, we had to come to Japanese restaurant. Only right when we pick up Japanese cars from Japan. It's only for $6.
Can't beat it.
And they had a ramen, so I had to get it. we just got home. We're gonna unload these 2 cars right now. Everything's unloaded. Oh, done for the day. What up, guys? Me and Gabe successfully got Chaser back at home, unloaded last night. And today, I'm gonna finally painting the Sora. I'm prepping it at the moment. Gonna get pit bike out, cover some stuff. I got the fan setup going, a filter, and my little duct tape and ghetto. But everything's Mac. I just gotta cover this. Comment down below. Guess the color. So this thing is finally being one color. Stay tuned.